Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So what we have up here is a nice, what I would say is probably 1910, 1920 syrup dispenser. It is for Daggetts fruit punch. This is out of Florida. As you probably know, I know a lot of you guys collect these. I don't, I'm not an aficionado in them, but this is a nice one. It's done in a nice mint green. Still has its original graphics on the front, and then it has its disclaimer here on the side that they have put in some additives in order to have longevity of the syrup. And also, what I want to point out is there are two cracks in this, and this is the way I got it, and there's nothing I can do about it. This being one of them right here, but my fingernail don't grab this. It goes from here up to here, but this is really thick glass, and it's really nice and tight. And then there's another one right here. It is what it is. There's nothing I can do about it, but it's still extremely solid, and it's not coming apart, and it will get to your place in good condition, as well as it has its nice original spout. And as you syrup collectors know, a lot of the times the tops are gone. This one here has the twist on and off top, which is really cool, and it's got all of its mixing little paddles in there. So a nice complete top, just a great little syrup dispenser. I really like the color. It's kind of a mint green, kind of goes with Florida. Nice original decal, ingredients decal. Unfortunately, it does have a couple little cracks, but hey, it still presents itself well, nice and tight. It'll get to you in very good condition. So if you want it, let us know. We'll get it boxed up and shipped right out to you. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, how you doing today? So we really want to tell you we appreciate you watching our videos. We've done about 1,600 of them to date, and you guys respond very nicely to it, and we really appreciate it. So if you like them, man, smash the subscribe button, right? Boom, hit the subscribe button and click on the reminder button, and if you do that, you will get reminded. There's a little bell there. Click on that. What we'd like you to do is make comments, and please make sure you share it with your friends. You guys are taking us to the top of the YouTube channel, and if you do those three things, you'll be able to see us real time, especially if you hit the bell to remind you. It'll come up every time on your phone. We try to do a lot of fun stuff for y'all, and we appreciate you watching our videos. So let's smash it, let's grab it, let's watch them, let's comment, let's send us comments, share it with your friends. If you do that, you'll take us to the top, and we would really appreciate it.
These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.